Today I'm reviewing the Gold Bond Ultimate Pure Moisture Lotion. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out obsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so finally get a chance to review this one because I've talked a lot about it. It's a very affordable product and there's a lot to like about it. So I thought I'd finally do a full review of it. So, okay, so they say Gold Bond Pure Moisture Lotion is ultra lightweight lotion with powerful moisturizing ingredients that will leave your skin looking healthier. This nourishing cream is clinically shown to provide immediate hydration for 24 hours. Sorry. So you can use it daily as a body and face lotion to keep skin moisturized all day long. So there we go. That sums it up pretty darn good. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. To packaging this, they do have a larger size that comes in a pump bottle. When I finish this, I'm definitely going to get the pump bottle next time because it's not that much more expensive and it's got a pump on it. So, anyway. The other day I saw somebody complaining about their toothpaste, how it had a screw top. And they never thought how annoying that was until they used one with a flip top. So, kind of like a pump bottle. It's so much easier than just having to flip this anyway. Kind of sad, but you know what? I have the same problem with toothpaste. When it's got a screw top, it's annoying. Anyway. How stupid. But anyway, okay. So, second criteria is denatured drying types of alcohol. It does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent. The manufacturing location, apparently it's made in Chattanooga, Tennessee, by Chatham, which is the company that owns Gold Bond, which is a pharmaceutical company based from France called Sanofi. It's available as both a powder and a topical cream. I don't know what that means. I think that has something to do with something else. But yeah, Tennessee. Okay, ease of use. So you really can apply this anywhere you want, which is wonderful. And there's not a lot of body products, face body products, that are actually will use on my face. But this is actually one of the rare few ones. Most things they say body and face, they're automatically just going to be used only on the body. I don't know why. Maybe because I just have some thought that if it's just for your body, it's not as good as for your face. But anyway, this is certainly one you can use everywhere. Face, neck, body, wherever. It absorbs nice, sets to a slightly shiny finish. Not terribly shiny, but it's not matte. It's non-sticky. It layers well with other products. I've used this typically on my body. I will use it on my face and neck a little bit. In the spring, summer, and fall, this is just fine. In the winter, I need to layer this. Either I'll layer this over a body serum or a hyaluronic serum for my body, or I'll apply this and layer a thicker cream over it, just depending on that. So for the winter, it's not totally enough on its own, but typically, yeah, plays well with other products and no other issues. So, okay, in terms of beneficial ingredients in this one, so we've got hydroxyethyl urea, which is a urea derivative, strong moisturizing and humectant, helps the skin cling on to water. They also mention that hydroxyethyl urea has a similar moisturizing ability to glycerin, but feels nicer on the skin and non-sticky and non-tacky. Then we've got grapeseed oil, plant oil coming from the polyphenol-rich grape seed. Light emollient oil makes your skin feel smooth, great source of fatty acids and antioxidants. We've got vitamin E, sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. Then we've got 5 different ceramides in here. They're all skin identical ingredients that help with your barrier and help with hydration in your skin. We've got gluconolactone, which is a great moisturizing ingredient. Also has some potential exfoliant properties, but it's a good ingredient. Does not make your skin more sensitive to the sun, and even great for rosacea prone skin. Then we've got niacinamide, anti-acne, barrier repairing, skin brightening ingredient. We've got cholesterol, a skin identical ingredient. We've got Panthenol, a good skin soothing, hydrating ingredient. We've got Caprooyl, Phytosphingosine, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. Then we've got that vitamin E, good antioxidant and hydrating ingredient. And then finally, we've got ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a vitamin C derivative antioxidant and skin brightening ingredient. So really nice ingredient list for something that's so darn affordable, sold over the counter, and great for your body and face. And these ingredients point out it's great for your face. It has a lot of more beneficial ingredients than a lot of other face moisturizers out there. In terms of animal testing, Gold Bond is cruelty-free, but they're not vegan, fully vegan, from what I understand. So, performance. So, my hand already looks much better. It's getting so wrinkly and dry, but does a great job. As good of a good job as any other moisturizer I've ever used on my face or body. It's a perfect thickness for most months and most climates, except for very, very cold. So, and to remedy that, I can still use this. I just layer it with another product. Really does add moisture without adding any heaviness or greasy feeling. Although in terms of acne-aging ingredients, we've got a few. We've got Dimethicone, Stearyl alcohol, Glyceryl Stearate, Cetyl alcohol, vitamin E, and Cetearyl alcohol. So if you have acne-prone skin, be cautious. Be careful with it. In terms of the price, you can't beat it. So this is their small size, 5.5 ounces, 155 milliliters, and retails for $5. So what is that? That's like $1 an ounce, which is a pretty good deal. And then if you get the pump size, I think the pump size is like $12, and it's like 14 ounces. So that's the way to go. Because, you know, even if you end up not liking it on your face, you can definitely use it on your body and be able to finish it. Then in terms of the it factor, this product, if somebody asked me if I could only pick one product I had to use everywhere for the rest of my life, it would probably be this one, just because it's affordable, it's multitasking, it's gentle, doesn't have any fragrance and things like that on it, and it's still cruelty-free, so I like the versatility of it, and the price of it, you can't beat it. So if I had to pick one, it would be this one. There's nothing, other than acne-prone skin, there's nothing not to love about it. So, okay, with a 10 being a perfect score, this one gets a 10. We haven't had a 10 in a while, so here we go. Fireworks, cheering, 10, yay. 10. Yay, yay, yay. Where's Lincoln and Ike? Where's my babies? They don't care, I guess. Lincoln doesn't like it because it doesn't have fragrance in it, I guess. So, anyway, so great multi-versatile tasking product of the year or whatever. So, anyway, interested to hear from you guys if you've tried this or anything else from Gold Bond. They have some other interesting products. They have some nice, really thick creams too. So, anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.